Hey guys, Mo here, and welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you guys about 2 to 3 jobs that are paying well over $100,000 a year that does not require a college degree at all. The first one being air traffic controllers. Did you know that air traffic controllers make on average $130,000 a year, with a high percentile of them, the top 10%, making over $185,000 a year for air traffic control? Yes, you have to have a high school diploma and you have to go to a specialized training, but they are willing to actually train you on the job. A little bit about air traffic controllers, just in case you guys are not aware. But air traffic controllers are in control of actually directing the traffic around the airports or in the immediate areas of the airport. They communicate a lot with the pilots. They tell the pilots exactly what is necessary in order to safely land the plane, as well as how to take off safely. They do multitask quite a bit. Some say that the job is extremely high stress, while others say that the stress is manageable. I say that if you are one that know that you have problems with managing stress, this probably is not the opportunity for you unless you have a good therapist on standby. You have to go through FAA, Federal Aviation Administration training, but they will provide all of that. And get this, they provide housing while you're actually there. If you are one of those people that are trying to figure it out and you don't know exactly what you want to do, you may want to think about air traffic control. Just one more caveat though, you must be able to pass the background check. The background check is extensive because it is a federal job. So if you have some blemishes on your background, and I mean not only just criminal background, definitely those credit background as well, because many corporate jobs or many high-paying jobs are going to require that you not only have a clean criminal record, but they also want a good credit score as well. So you may want to go ahead and clean those things out, but when in doubt, reach out to someone and find out if there are any concessions that could be made on your behalf in order to get you in that opportunity. The second job that pays really well, that does not require a college degree, is a software architect. Software architects, I know many people say, well, what is a software architect? Well, let's just talk a little bit about the salary first. On average, the software architects make at least around $125K and greater, with the larger 10% making greater than $173,000 a year. So that is a lot of money that you can make as a software architect. The thing that you have to keep in mind is that although a degree is not required, there may be some specialized training that may be required, and you can actually get some of that training either on the job. Many places will give you the opportunity to work on the job and learn a lot. If you're already with an organization that currently has an IT department, you may want to check into that, because I can't tell you that you're going to jump into it making the $125K, but I can also assure you that within a short period of time, ramping up, you could definitely improve your income substantially until you reach and exceed the 125, which is just the average. So you have many people that are making greater than that. A little bit about the duties though. They are actually provide high-level software solutions to the IT department, to their clients. They work directly with clients, or they work internally. But either way, you have to be able to provide solutions via technology, using technology to actually provide those solutions. You will definitely be called on to possibly have some software development tasks as well as programming. So if you have a programming background, I know that software architect throw you off possibly, but you definitely will need experience as an analyst. You would definitely need that experience as a programmer, and possibly some of the operating system as well as additional hardware knowledge may be required. But all of those things can be definitely acquired through certification or training, and not a college degree. Those are 2 really good jobs that you could actually jump into today. The other job that really pays well is the software developer. A software developer is, on average, they're making $120,000 is the average. But you have the top 10% making greater than $168,000. So you have the ability to make a lot of money. The other thing too is that you can work remotely in this job. A little bit about the role so that you will know if it's for you. You have to create software applications for the organization in which you're working. You can work as a 1099, which is a contracted employee. As a contracted employee, you can ask for much more in salary because you're not working directly for the company, so they don't have to pay your benefits. You will definitely be creating software applications. You will possibly be doing some programming. It all depends. Some places will also expect for you to develop. They will tell you exactly what you'll be developing. It could be internal or it could be for a customer. It could be a customer for the employer that you're working for. You could also be expected to do apps, create apps, or do web development. There are a number of things that fall within the software development. Just think about it this way. You'll be paid to develop software of some sort. It could be using any type of programming language. It could be website development. It could be possibly some database administration, light analyst type work, all those type things. But those things don't require a college degree. The great thing is that you can definitely pick up those skills along the way. Or sometimes you can even teach yourself a lot of those things. These are 3 great jobs that pay well over $100,000. I think that you guys should go out there and level up, learn as much as you can, and make more money.